Hi, my name is Lauren Kemp and I'm a consultant here at Rotive. Today I'm going to show you how to download an app or a package, as it's also called, from AppExchange to your Salesforce org. So first, log into your Salesforce org, go to the upper right hand corner and click the gear icon to go to Setup. Once in Setup, use the quick find to find AppExchange and click on the AppExchange Marketplace. This will launch the AppExchange homepage. From here, you can search for the app that you want to download to your org. We're just going to click here for now. And then in the bottom right-hand corner, you would click Get It Now. This will prompt you to open your login screen just to verify that you're using the right username and Salesforce org. And then from here, you have two different options. You can install into your production org, or you can install into a sandbox. If it's a brand new org, then you would typically want to install it here. But if you have a bunch of users and you've been using your Salesforce org for a while, it's recommended that you would first put it in a sandbox before you deploy it to everyone else, just to make sure that it is customized and to your liking. So we're going to click install here. I'm going to add my info and confirm and install. So then you have the option of downloading this for admins only, all users, or specific profiles. Typically we install for admins only, so admins have the chance to configure it or set it up before it's available to all users, but you could also just make it instantly available to everyone. So we'll click install, and sometimes this part of the process can take a while. Now the installation is complete, click done. And so we installed Salesforce adoption dashboards, which includes reports. Usually when you go into your app launcher and you would search for the app that you just downloaded. For us, because there are dashboards and reports, we're going to search for reports. Go to all reports. And then here you can see all of the reports that we had just downloaded from AppExchange. I hope this helped. If it did, please like this video. If you would like more content about Salesforce or Pardot, please subscribe, and hope you have a great day.